So what I'm doing is changing the universal joints on my tail shaft for the 1-tonner for the project build. Okay, so this is where I took this one off, and there's the other one I took off too, but it's rolled away to no man's land. So this actually slides on and off, okay? So you've got to get these off when you take it apart from the other section. So I just wanted to see how it worked, so I knocked the other one off last night. So what I've got to do now is these clips here, sorry, they come from in here, okay? So they're basically in that way, and I used a screwdriver. So I came in from this direction and just gave them a tap out, and then you sort of dig it out with this, whichever way it's going to work. So I've got the two already taken out. So this is where they went in, sorry. Blocking with the sun now. Okay, so that's where they came from, that position. So you just bump them out, grab them. Don't lose them, just keep them, but they're supposed to be in the kit, new ones as well. So now how do I get the rest of this out of the joint? I've got to punch this through and then punch that one through. I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to clamp my bit of wood so this doesn't roll anywhere. Now a bit of pipe, solid pipe, whatever you can use. I've just got a, what am I using here? 17 or something like that, yeah, 17 mil extended. Okay. And it is pushing through, that's good. That is pushing through, as you can probably see. Now it goes through so far, and then I can remove that and continue. So we'll go a little bit further. Boom, there we go, done. And it actually pushed the other end off as well at the same time. There you go, so that's done. So now we've got to get it out. Oh, because that's already off. Oh, what a shocker. Because it punched the other one off, well, it's done. There we go. So that's out. Okay. So they're metal bearings. They roll inside around the housing. So they'll collapse, and that's why you generally replace them. So going back to what I was saying before, got to find where the circlip is, where it opens. It doesn't take much to get them out. Almost there. There we are. That's out. Might have to work this one around to get a better angle. But there we go. Boom, just like that. Too, also I meant to mention it's advisable to give these a bit of a squirt with whatever you want. I'm not sponsored, but yeah, just some sort of WD-40 or whatever. There we go. You can punch them right through, but they're just a bit tight. So there you go. Look at that, it's got an O-ring on that one. It's a rubber cap there. So that's it. That's out of there. That's pretty good. Now I just got to punch this through. Okay. A little bit more. Whoop, wrong way. There we go. Boom. Done. Excellent. And what am I going to do with the rest? I'm going to clean these up and I'm going to respray them. I might actually get the parts first. I also wanted to mention, guys, the uni joints. Make sure you check the ones you've got to suit your vehicle. The tail shaft lengths all vary. With, like, say, a ute, wagon, station wagon, and a 1-tonner. So 1-tonners are generally a little bit longer, and the diameters change as well. So do your research, guys. This particular one I've got, from the center of the yoke to center, is 1505 mil, and then it's 75 mil in diameter. Okay. Now with the yokes themselves, and this is the research I've been doing, found on mine as well. I'll bring you over and have a look. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it for there. I will be buying new parts, and I'll do another video on that, how to reinstall them. I'm going to clean them up, paint them, put a bit of hardener in it, clear coat them. Don't have to, that's just me. Now be mindful, guys, I meant to mention also with the tubing, okay, don't crush it. As you saw me show you, it's hollow. So if you're going to clamp it down or hit it or whatever, make sure you're right at the very end where it's solid, okay, because you don't want to squash that tube, otherwise you'll be no good to you. So it'll be out of balance and just be weaker, so it'll be destroyed basically. So bear that in mind. All right, guys, once again, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, and see you soon with the other one.